So I got 5 of these rivet nuts installed on the black bumper piece at the bottom. So if I'm correct, this is how, yeah, something like this. Yeah, something like that. And I'm gonna install this and then get it to the front bumper and then hook up that splitter rod kit right there. All right. I got 3 of these bolts in here in the front here. So I messed up on putting the 2 rivet nuts that go here. There is no hole that sits on here. So this one, junk, and this one is junk too. So I'm just gonna have to, yeah, cause so I'm gonna have to put 2 on these back end, and then this one's not gonna have any. Same thing for that side. But it's time to work on the splitter kit. So let's see how this goes. I had to get my wife to help me out because I couldn't get this thing hooked up anyways. So might have to get her to help me out again. Alright, time to install the side splitters. I have no idea which side goes where, so I'm gonna have to look into this. It has a cut right here at the end. It has an angle. So appreciate the cup holder and license plate. This is the splitter for that. So go ahead and take a look into this, and then I don't know if I'm gonna do a full install video on this, but I will locate where I drilled the holes for you guys. So there is drilling that needs to be done. They have an installation guide on their website, just in case you guys are wondering. I'm not installing the side splitters anymore. I don't have the car high enough to where I could drill the car. I'm not gonna jack it up anymore. But anyways, if you're gonna do the front splitter, there's 5 there. You gotta put 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 8 more. They all go on, not onto this. Do not install it through here. These need to be loose. You are start on the black pieces, the black trim. The black trim on the side for these 3, they're stuck on the car, so I will do that last. I want to get this on. And then put the front. Put this splitter on to where we can put the splitter rods and this connection piece here that connects to the front. So that way it's all ready to go, and I can just put it on the front bumper. Man, this front bumper is taking a toll. Needs a lot of work. All right. You guys are probably wondering why I'm walking around the block now. For some reason, I can't find my fog light harness adapters, and the other side, I'm missing the daytime running harness and the fog light harness adapters. So if you guys are wondering what the harnesses are, I'll show you guys what they look like, but I just can't seem to find them because in order for me to put the front bumper back on, I have to hook up all the fog lights and the fog lights and the headlights back on, low beams and high beams too, because that's what you gotta take off. But for some reason I can't find half of them, so I'm walking around because like I said, I went around this block twice, so trying to see if we could find them. All right, so it's not the headlights. I apologize. So I'm missing the fog light. These are the turn signals. So these 2 connect to the turn signals, and then I'm missing one that goes to the fog lights. I don't have no idea where that's at. And the only one I have on this side is one for the turn signal. I have no idea where the fog light is at. I looked everywhere. I even went around the block to see if I tore it apart. It's not there. I have no idea. Cause I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm missing this piece on. So I got these two for turn signals. I'm missing this one for the fog light. And for some reason, I'm missing both of these on the driver's side. This is so weird. I haven't had this issue now. I don't know where it's at. I figured, like I said, I'd strip the wires off, but I would notice that if I would have taken it off the jack stands and driven it off. So it's just weird how I'm missing these wires right now. I'm just gonna have to take it apart and see if I can find them. All right, so I took off the fog lights. These are the Dial Dynamics fog lights, not the factory ones. What I'm gonna be doing, I don't know. Like I said, for some reason I don't know where the fog light harness adapters are at on this side. So at least I got the turn signals. I'm actually gonna take off the fog lights. I don't know what it takes here. Looks like that big white thing, and then I think it just pops off. Oh, I gotta take out those two Phillips screws back here. So I'm not gonna run the fog lights for now. I got a replacement coming for this. This whole piece is coming off. So I gotta see how this whole thing comes off, but this whole thing's coming off. Yeah, so I'll do a video on that, and then we're gonna try and test fit the bumper back onto the front bumper and see if it fits. So let's see how that goes. So that was pretty easy. It's just two Phillips screws and they just slides off. So kind of weird because it has 4 holes, but there's only 2 Phillips screws on that side and 2 Phillips screws on that side. So like I said, I just don't know where my fog light harness is at, and I tried looking everywhere. So I'm not gonna try and mess around right now. Just gonna take them off right now. I'm just gonna run the turn signals. So I got the splitter off. Gotta put this black piece on. I'm gonna take this off. This was just a temporary clamp. I got the new clamps that I got from O'Reilly. Show you guys what I got. Ooh, close this door. Got a Dremel, Home Depot. Got a new drill set for I gotta drill the side skirts for the side splitters. Got this. They're sanding down. So these are the ones I got. These are $4 a piece. These are 82 millimeter. So the ones that you get from Turbo Access, they're like 81 to 75. So these are a little bit bigger, which is fine. So I'm gonna replace this one with a temporary hose clamp that I got from Ace Hardware. So I had to take these off. Don't fit. It's too big and it's just too loose. So don't get 82 millimeter. All right, so I finally got this black piece installed. Looks kind of way off here. You guys can see. I might have to readjust this end here. It's the only thing I could think of. So fix this and then we'll see if we can get the front bumper on. Alright, what's up everybody? Finally got the front bumper on. Damn, I had to cut this front bumper. Better yet, probably just get the Turbo XS license plate delete. I might. Damn, I don't know who would do the work on this. Yeah. I'll have to consider chopping off all the way, probably up here, and then down here. Yep. Probably for maximum airflow. Gonna finish up touching up the grill. Yeah, I'm gonna finish up touching up the grill. So far so good. Oh man, it was such a pain in the butt to get this thing back in though. I am waiting for the new splitter rod kits to come in. I got one coming in from Airflow Dynamics later on tonight, so we'll get that installed. And then that's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. It's been one heck of a install for me.